Everyone has been talking about ChatGPT, and it's for a good reason. Its ability to generate any request in human-like text is amazing. And for many individuals, it's their first aha moment for what AI could actually be. And the implication this technology has for us in the next decade is exciting, but also frightening. But instead of thinking about what it's going to be like in the next decade, I'm going to be talking about what it's like today and how we can take advantage of the opportunities right in front of us now. So I'm going to be talking about 10 different ways that you can use ChatGPT to earn some USD online. Now, if you had only one source of income in 2022, you better stop, listen, take notes of everything I'm about to tell you in this video. Also, if you have less than 10,000 USD saved or invested, you need to listen, take notes, and take action. In the end, I'll also give you my personal opinion and what I think about ChatGPT. The first one is to sell products or services on e-commerce websites like Amazon, Etsy, or Shopify. This world that we live in today is built on sales. You have to be selling something. Now with Amazon, there are multiple ways that you can earn from Amazon. Not only can you sell physical products, you can sell digital products, also merch on demand. Like with Amazon, you have about 10 different ways that you can make money with Amazon. I'll do a separate video on that. Are you a creative person? Are you good at Excel? Are you good at designing? Then Etsy might be the place for you. Etsy is really great for homemade products or vintage products and templates. Like if you check Etsy right now, you'll see the simple things that people are making a ton of money from. What's stopping you from being that individual today? There's a wide range of category that you can choose from, whether it be home decor, furniture, stores, you name it. Something is there for you. However, not all countries allowed to sell on Etsy, so you have to check if the country you're watching this video from is allowed to sell on Etsy. But if you can create an Etsy store, guess what? You can create a Shopify store. Shopify has made it a lot easier than 3-4 years ago to create your online store and receive payment. You don't need to know any form of coding to create your store with Shopify. Now, if you're curious and want to learn how to build a Shopify store, I'll leave a step-by-step tutorial in the description of this video so you can check it out. The advantage of Amazon and Etsy is that you will have organic traffic coming to those websites. Unlike your Shopify store, your store has to be more optimized to get traffic from Google search, or you have to do a lot of promotion using Shopify. But hey, put in the work and you will reap the rewards. Number 2, and this is a great one, offer freelance services such as web design, copywriting, or even social media management on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. 2 years ago, you said you were going to create a Fiverr or Upwork store. 2 years later, you haven't created it. Why? Because you said it would have been hard. But if you had started 2 years ago, where would you be today in terms of ranking and performance on these platforms? It doesn't hurt to take 10 minutes, create a profile, list what you can do, and let it sit there. The thing is, these platforms receive millions of searches each day, so somebody will eventually come across your profile, like what you're offering, and then reach out to you. I don't have any skills. Guess what? All skills are learnable. So don't sit and wait for a special skill or a special idea to come to you. It's not gonna happen. Sorry to break it to you like that. So you're going to take the time out, learn a skill, and monetize it. You don't have to love it to earn money from it. So once you're done watching this video, make sure you go ahead and create that profile. Number 3, sell digital products on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Gumroad. That's an interesting name, don't it? Gumroad. I don't know who came up with this name, but I think I like it. Gumroad. Let's go to Gumroad right now. Gumroad has a category for it. They have a wide variety of categories that you can post digital products in. You can start a membership business, you can set up a podcast, you can even sell physical products on Gumroad. If you're not familiar with platforms like Teachable or Udemy, those platforms are primarily for courses. Wait, I have something very important to tell you now. You can create a course and post it on multiple platforms. So it can be on Udemy, it can be on Tutorials Point, it can be on Teachable, it can be on Gumroad. That's literally 4 different sites where individuals all around the world are searching for information. I'm telling you, you need to get on these platforms and start creating. And guys, the thing about these platforms is that you don't have to be promoting your products. These sites automatically promote your product for you. So take the idea that is in your head, put it in something digital that can reach millions of people around the world. Did you see an ad at the beginning of this video or somewhere in the middle? Then guess what? That's another way you can earn an income online in 2023. YouTube will be paying me a couple cents for that ad, and you can do the same too. Now you're gonna say, no, you don't want to show your face on camera. I was possibly one of the shyest person in Jamaica. Yes, literally, I was one of the shyest person in Jamaica. But here you are watching me today. So if MR can do it, you can do it too. There's nothing stopping you from taking up your camera and recording your YouTube video. If you really don't want to show your face on camera, you can use Doodly, which is a one-time investment for like $68 for a lifetime license, and you can utilize footage videos like you can get some from Storyblocks and Pixel. Pixel's free, Storyblock you have to pay for it, and you don't have to have any fancy equipment. This right here is good enough. The microphone on this is very solid. It's even better than this right here. So instead of using your phone to be just a consumer, you can now become a producer. Number 5, monetize a blog by using Google AdSense, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing. So if you really don't want to show your face, this is another option for you. However, I must say blogging takes a lot of time. But wait, you can use GPT chat to get some ideas. Just saying. I know you're gonna say, I don't know how to code, I don't know how to code. Guess what? You don't need to know how to code to create a blog. I'll leave a video detailing step by step how you can create a website, monetize it with Google AdSense, and monetize it with affiliate links as well. Number 6, become a social media influencer. Did you know that a lot of these creators that you see every day, they get paid very well from sponsored content? Oh, you may be thinking MR is an influencer. No, MR is not an influencer. MR is MR Morrison. Things and time are really changing, and becoming an influencer is a great way to earn some income. Literally, you can become an overnight sensation on the internet. This guy is famous for that, right? I'm not saying you're going to be the next KB, but the potential is there. We are living in the internet age, not the industrial age anymore, so you have to find ways that work in the internet age. Number 7, offer consultation and coaching on platforms like Clarity FM. Now, what I personally like about Clarity FM for consulting, it's a page where you go and search, so it's a search engine. Customers are already searching for you, so you don't have to go out and promote yourself. Somebody is coming and searching for the service you already offer. So go on Clarity FM, create your profile, and list your services. When I found out this one, I literally created my profile and set it up within a couple minutes. Within less than 5 minutes, my profile was up and running. The question is going to be, what are you going to do consultation about? Think about it. What do you currently do in your business? Or if you work a 9 to 5, what do you currently do in your 9 to 5? Now those same skills, somebody is out there who does not have knowledge in that area, and they are willing to pay you for that knowledge you have. So put yourself out there and eventually you'll get that gig. Number 8, participate in surveys and focus groups through websites like Survey Junkie. Now when you check a lot of these videos about making money online, they're going to be telling you about making money with doing surveys, but they're not telling the truth about these platforms. The truth is, with making money with surveys, a lot of time you're wasting your time because you're going to be doing a survey that you don't get selected for and you don't get compensated. So you're going to be wasting a lot of time. That's how I feel about the survey websites. If you really don't have any option and you have the time, can't find anything, then you may want to try doing surveys. But apart from that, don't do surveys. Number 9, rent out a spare room on Airbnb. Now this one is definitely not applicable to a lot of people. However, you can also think about acquiring a property just for the purpose of Airbnb. So out of the 9 thus far, there must be something that you can do. So coming at number 10, they have affiliate marketing. So this is where ChatGPT is not so smart, because it talked about affiliate marketing earlier, but it's coming again and giving us affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is an excellent way to earn money online. And what I like about affiliate marketing is that you get a commission and you don't have to worry about sourcing product. You just literally promote someone else's product. So whatever you earn is 100% profit. So there are many ways that you can do affiliate marketing. You just have to get creative about it. Alright, so this is how I personally feel about ChatGPT. It's excellent. It will provide you the basic information that you need to get started in any area. However, from how I've tested it so far, when you get into technical details of things, it cannot provide that level of information that you need to make an informed decision. You have to rely on the information that you have to do the correct thing. However, it's software and nothing is perfect overnight. So I'd say give it some time and then we'll see where it will get. I don't think it's a real threat as yet to anything at all, really. It is just good at Googling and putting information together. So that's my summary of ChatGPT. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.